Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your social media skills with Hootsuite Academy, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Hootsuite Academy website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access the learning dashboard. Explore the available courses related to social media skills. Select the courses that align with your interests and needs. Review the course descriptions to understand the content offered. Enroll in your chosen course by clicking the enrollment button. Familiarize yourself with the course structure and timeline. Engage with interactive elements such as quizzes and assignments. Take notes to reinforce your learning and retention. Participate in discussion forums to connect with other learners. Utilize the resources provided, such as videos and articles. Complete all required modules to receive your certification. Once finished, download and save your certificate of completion. Showcase your newly acquired skills on your resume or LinkedIn profile. Consider additional courses to further enhance your expertise. Stay updated with new content by regularly checking Hootsuite Academy. Apply what you've learned in your social media strategies. Measure your progress and continue to build your skill set. Engage with the Hootsuite community for ongoing support and knowledge. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your social media skills with Hootsuite Academy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.